In this video, I'll guide you through how to embed Microsoft bookings on your website so visitors can schedule time with you without ever leaving your page. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly which options to choose and where to click. First, open your browser and go to the Microsoft Bookings site by typing in book.ms. Make sure you're signed in with the account that has access to your bookings. Once you're in, you'll see a list of booking pages you have access to. These might be for different teams, services, or locations. From that list, select the shared booking page you want to embed. This is the page whose calendar and appointments you want your visitors to see and use. When your shared booking page opens, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical sidebar with different options. Find and click on the one labeled Booking Page. This is where you control how your booking page behaves, how it looks, and how you share it or embed it. After you click on Booking Page, the main area of the screen will update with settings for that page. At the top of this section, look for a row of sharing options. You should see a button that says something like Copy Link, and right next to it there will be an Embed button. That Embed button is what you need. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're on the correct booking page and that the page has been saved and published, because the Embed options appear for active pages. Click on the Embed button. A panel or pop-up will appear with different choices for how you want to embed Microsoft Bookings. You'll see two main options, an iframe and a button. The iframe option embeds the full calendar directly into your web page. That means your visitors will see the calendar, time slots, and services right there on the page, and they can complete the booking without being redirected. This works best if you have enough space on your page and you want the scheduling experience to feel fully integrated. The button option gives you a Book Now style button that you can place anywhere on your site. When someone clicks the button, the bookings calendar opens in a pop-up or overlay. This is a great choice if your page layout is tight or if you prefer a cleaner look with just a simple call to action. The booking experience is still smooth, but it doesn't take up permanent space on the page. Choose the embed type that best fits your site. Iframe for a fully embedded calendar, or button for a compact trigger that opens the calendar in a pop-up. Once you've made your choice, the window will show you the corresponding code or snippet. Now simply click the Copy button. This copies the embed code to your clipboard so you can paste it into your website's HTML, your content management system, or your website builder's custom code area. From there, you just paste the code where you want the calendar or button to appear on your site, save your changes, and publish your page. That's all it takes to embed Microsoft Bookings and make scheduling much easier for your visitors.